Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show how to make zucchini bread with almond flour. First, let's gather our essential ingredients. You'll need 2 cups of fine almond flour, 1 cup of freshly shredded zucchini, squeezed dry to remove excess moisture, 3 large eggs, a half cup of your preferred granulated sweetener, and a 1/4 cup of a neutral-flavored oil like avocado or coconut oil. These form the delicious foundation of our gluten-free treat. Now, let's combine everything. In one bowl, whisk together your 2 cups of almond flour, 1 teaspoon of baking soda, and a half teaspoon of salt. In another bowl, beat the 3 large eggs, a half cup of sweetener, and a 1/4 cup of oil until smooth. Pour the wet mixture into the dry, stirring gently until just combined. Finally, fold in the 1 cup of drained zucchini. It's time to bake. Preheat your oven to 350 degrees Fahrenheit. Lightly grease a 9x5-inch loaf pan. Carefully pour the batter into the prepared pan, spreading it evenly. Bake for about 50 to 60 minutes. To check for doneness, insert a toothpick into the center. It should come out clean. Let it cool in the pan for 10 minutes, then transfer to a wire rack to cool completely. For the best results, remember a few key tips. Always ensure your shredded zucchini is thoroughly drained. This prevents a soggy loaf. Avoid overmixing the batter, which can make the bread tough. For an extra treat, try adding a half cup of chocolate chips or chopped walnuts. Store your delicious almond flour zucchini bread in an airtight container at room temperature for up to 3 days, or freeze slices for longer enjoyment.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.